how to download First Bank account statement. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your bank account statement on First Bank. So you could actually do this both from the web version of First Bank or the application itself. What you need to do here is, of course, to verify everything first once you logged in because it's going to be a hectic security. So first, if you're going to be doing this via the web version, you could actually log in, and then you should be able to see statements at the lower right portion of your screen upon logging in. As going to be a statement feature, download that. It will be given to you via PDF file. Now, same goes with the application. Again, you have to log in, verify everything first, so choose on get started, and then just simply choose on statements so that you can download your bank account via a PDF file. And that's it. That's how you download First Bank account statement.